So this is going to be one of my final videos for story time of this year. As the exams are fast approaching, the interest for my channel is going to drop exponentially at a rate of negative t over tau. If you know what that formula is, let me know. So I was sitting at my teacher's desk having a good time, and two students who will remain anonymous came up to me and said, "Mister, people are talking about your videos." I was like, "Oh, that's nice, okay, that's good." Thinking that they're going to say more nice things about this. They said, "Oh, mister." I was like, "What happened?" They said, "They're saying bad things." "Bad things? What do you mean? Like what?" It's like, "Oh, they're saying that your videos are hard to understand and my explanations are bad and stuff like that." I says, "Oh, okay." So my heart started to sink a little. Then they said, somebody said, "Something is better than nothing." So that's something, I guess. So I was like, you know what, I'll take that. Something is better than nothing. So, okay, that's great. So, which class was it? Who was telling you about these things? Says, "Mister, it's not from our campus. It's from other campuses." "Other campuses? Why didn't you say so? Let me note all of this down. I have a special file for all the opinions for other campuses." So what I did was, I took a whole note and I scrunched it up and I filed it away carefully. Bounced off of that, it fell amongst the rest of the kachara. I said, "I am not really too fussed about the opinions of NPCs. As long as my students understand what I am doing and are happy with my work, then I am happy. Entiendes? Entiendes? Gracias." If you know that movie reference, let me know. +1 for you. That'll do. Goodbye.